In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Dropbox on a Windows 11 PC. Whether you're new to Dropbox or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through the steps so you can easily get Dropbox running on your computer. Let's dive right in. To start, open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, whatever you typically use. In the address bar, type in the URL for the official Dropbox download page, dropbox.com. Install. Once you're there, you'll see a big, inviting download button for the desktop app. Go ahead and click on that button. Once you've clicked download, the installer file for Dropbox, usually named something like dropboxinstaller.exe, will begin downloading to your computer. If you're using the default settings, you'll find it in your Downloads folder. Now, open your File Explorer, navigate to your Downloads folder, and you'll see the installer file there. Simply double-click it to run. At this point, Windows might prompt you with a security message asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. This is a standard step whenever installing new software. Simply click Yes to proceed with the installation. Now, let's go through the on-screen installation steps. These steps are straightforward, and Dropbox does an excellent job guiding you through the process. You might be asked to accept the license terms. Make sure you give those a quick read and then accept them to continue. Next, you'll reach a section for installation settings. For the vast majority of users, the default settings are perfectly fine, so you can just go ahead and accept those. Once you've done that, the installation process will begin. Dropbox will start setting up its desktop integration, and you'll see a progress bar indicating how much of the process is complete. This usually doesn't take long, so feel free to take a quick sip of your coffee while it wraps up. After the installation is finished, Dropbox will prompt you to sign in to your account. If you already have a Dropbox account, simply input your login information. If you're new to Dropbox, you'll need to sign up for an account, which is a simple process involving entering your email and creating a password. Once you're signed in, look towards your taskbar near the clock, and you should see the Dropbox icon there. This indicates that the desktop app is up and running. Additionally, you'll notice that a Dropbox folder has been added to your File Explorer, making file management a breeze. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Dropbox on your Windows 11 PC. With Dropbox ready to go, you can now sync and share files effortlessly. Thanks for watching and enjoy using